Abona, if we are not Human Rights Day, Asha. Upadile shem ngaso vutsuri he awa makata tsona upadile ino ba lo godzomela ino pendula siphuno batsela serious.
Yeah, Bombay Whale. Welcome to Mzansi's Funniest Videos, guys. Happy Human Rights Day. I don't know what it means, but happy.
Coco.
Ubani?
Oh, the one you love.
Awuna manga wena imali angeke izikokote. Awu.
Beautiful hair.
Oh, thank you. You can take it. I have another one.
Basadi ke a le kopa ke kopa le tlogeleng go jola le banna ba o favor Kaizer Chiefs. Please. One day o tlo ke polaya e fetsa family ya re ko eno mmolaile. Please, are doing it right, guys. Are doing it right. Please. Oh.
Ke ba se ithatsha bagaetso taba ya hao koko ana ya o upload profile picture ko WhatsApp o setse ka bikini after or you can't wait for sleep over le tlabela le bala di false ko di boyfriend teng o stop and o mothomolo hape motho ke bollang ka ena o she's an octogenarian bagaetso o tlhabisa dikhala and you are old enough mama akatlela taba tsa hao nna ka jeno tsa o jolla papa le ho mojesa asita ba tsena ke ditletse mo ka jeno Rakhadi Joyce o ska leka wa nkomanya ore wa mputshoro wa ikebolela le batho ba holo bjana banna bo botle ba onnang le bona ba tlhokofala yes Rosemary Ndlovu abuti a kenya go bolela lwena all together not to mention taba ya hore a o itse le ID number ya hao ka tlhogo mara o tsentsha bana ba habo mosadi sekolo magoga ke mosadi ka nko yes ba o goga ka nko
Batswadi ba mogetse gore matlhapelo ba ile phisi ba ka ratagwa go setse dilo shidi ba re ke di neighbor le maoto masetla
Ba concern.
Yabona Pethu, once you have been single for a very long time, it just becomes hard to date again. You try to date, you see one red flag, you're gone. You don't even wait for them to explain. Okay, now let's say you get into a relationship. It just becomes hard to share your space with someone because you're used to being alone, things done a certain way. Like you wish they could go. Like now you are back to reporting, hey, I'm here, hey, I need to go, hey, I fell asleep last night, I couldn't. Yabo, young into even inconvenience, like inconvenience in a way. Basically, you are toxic to date. Yabo, hey.
Fake it till you make it in abantu bayi. Because other people have been faking it. They know Abasa make it. They are still trying to make it until me.
They will get there.
Majida, mara go pala kae mara? Go pala kae go no dira so?
Ya ulwetsi, you'll talk.
Go pala kae? Hai man.
That's why musleta wa bjana. Le tla di relationship in tsa bo 8 to 9 years le sa nyalwa. Ape o ke trauma yo. Trauma straight.
Sundowns ingonisile ukuthi umuntu uyadliwa nje ngisho umthemba kanjani. uyaduma
Bakachuchu.
ngishe sabeka uyaduma
Guys, I'm tired.
My sister is giving me problems.
I'm tired. You know, now I reach a point of tiredness.
Shame, man.
Because every time, my sister, every time my sister, when she cook, when she cook the food, she want me to cut the onion. God, the onion is make me to cry.
Welcome to Njolo Customer Care. How about our regular Benz to be the doctor? How about our regular Quantum to be the nurse? How about our regular loan to be the teacher? How about I happily na money to be the Pulinyan, aka Northwest? How about our Nyale, no matter what, no matter the history, to be the Limbu? How about our purchase the Haika Mugata pension? To be the me was a parosa Greg. How about our Lucisha weight to be the Eastern Cape, Northwest, Capayona KZN. How about the Romans, Rayonayama Blomo, Eastern Yadi Pizza, to be the Warra, aka Mupedi.
We tla rakgadi a go ka Easter o tlo go suna a hetsa o bolelekiwa go mmerekong wena.
Batho ba ntse mo rakgadi mo ra kae.
Yo!
Don't mind me, I'm just thinking out loud. Ne? If you are at work and you know yourself that at 10 o'clock you have to go to the bathroom, dark or blue, and you have a pooping schedule, you need to find another job. If you already have a favorite toilet that when you go to the bathroom at work and you find someone in that particular bathroom, you get angry. You are too comfortable. Hawa. Ukasiye mmereko weyela ho kaka. Never.
Xhosa girls, you uyabona intombazane yomXhosa if ayisakufuni isibali ngisho noba ungazama ukwenzani kodwa. Hawu we mama. Ngicabanga ukuthi mina nawe sike sithi ukuyikhipha nyana, sike sithi uyoshawa. Uncede wethu uzikhupha nobani? Ufuna uzikhupha nami ngezo hempe ezibomvu? Hawu ndincede wethu. Hawu kodwa mama. Mina nawe ngibani mama? Umama yakho mina. Yebhuti hempe ebomvu. Ndithe hlukana nami. Hawu. Hayi phela nawe usuyangisanganela manje. Ubiza bani ngobhuti wehembe libomvu? Yewethu eyona nto yaziyo ukulwa nami. Awona amandla nawo ngobetha mina. Ngelo xesha ebhedini uyohluleka. Uyofika woneke lo mas wakho amakhulu ngathi lenhloko yomntana wakho. Xa melibona bethe ebhedini uyohluleka awuncede wethu phuma kum. Wawewethu bhuti wehempe. Dithepho uyabona once wathi yewethu umuntu wabantu akhohlwa sibani. Ayisekho se-ICU relationship yakhona. RIP chayibe ngayo.
Ke mang bitso la hao? Mnqophisi. Oh, mnqophisi. Ubuwa. Oh, mutaze. Mfo. Ke mang mfo? Yo, uthini kaloku? Uthini?
Lento yokungalasti kuma relationship isenza ukuthi sibe nama ex amaningi. Hey, izolo ngithe ngithi ngiaccount. Hey
wena. Lo mfana.
If singafika nale weather. Singagcina sithi 2025 azange ube nama weekend. Tshela. Masingaphiya nale weather le. Singagcina sithi 2025 sarojwa azange ube nama weekend.
Abe maningi abantu.
Bakuthiwa ithela kanjani? Bakuthiwa lifa ukuthi phuma. Angibona abajida, angibona ama girls hlale phansi xoxa. Uyi record thatha umbrella uhambe.
Ngiyawanda nokubani.
Ukuthela linjani? Uyalibona impela hayi cha. Liyahloma nga phuma hamba ivuka uthi ndini. Ngoba egcineni uzogcina selibheke uNkulunkulu ethi azange ebe khona ama weekend endini. Noma ngabe yashamba. Awuba
Mama Maraking tse ke di utlwang bana ba re no ba peita ka pipe tsa ka tsa hable. Mama sekolo kudu wena dilo tse ke dithatso a di nkgelongkga o tla tsuba le ditšhomo tša gago o sa ba botsa gore ke nne ke peta bana ka tsona dinoko sa gore ko ithekela phaepe mo batla tsuba ka yona itshwenya
cabanga sonegebhe emazinyweni sathi uyakhala emncwabeni uvele ushaya iflate
usikambe opportunity odlala leli bedi hayi batho bana ba loving ba caring uthi abanathele kuri ke batho ba shabo bana le peace nathi fela bona bana le madebe bumma ntongolong kuri ntongolong ka irang bo tlalia go bumma o no itse hayi mara bona otherwise ke di snitchinyana di ntsinyana ma bracket mara bona ba shabo she
wa o rekele pedi
umuntu udla isinokufresh ngesakholina
ashakholina
mara sikho lapho abafana basisebenza istokfela sama-DNA guys yo like makhola lo namhlanje bayenza i-DNA makhola lo ya bayenza i-DNA afrikisekakeni
shembe ngithi ngiyazithulela mara wena soze wafana ujijila mina cause masithi movie uthabo wathi at least ume kahle mara yazini asikho lapho ihamba njani igap ye beka manje sohamba namakula mayo stock mara sazi sathini
uboreki
good molaping tsena Bucks age o lady hello Bucks o lady utenta Peter hayo Bucks le nna ke tsuko ka sala tswile motho ka tsa ke neng ke mo sheba go tloga Sunday because fa na re tsa kopane Sunday so ka bo ma 2 o'clock ba ke ya no ka mo gape batho ba modimo batho Peter o tla le mahala man a ta Peter o ska eta Peter tele pompe dutse mo sele mo la fela o Pirates shapile Sundowns 2-1 bona ja ka mo feleletsa Bucks Peter
wena usebenza ebank kodwa broke kanjani kusukela ekseni kuze kweshantana
yangenele
ushaya isefo la ushaya isifu ufaka 10 trillion ebank kodwa sisakho siyakhasi ulambile awunayo imali elantshi kade bengena manje bephethe amasaka imali kade banika na imanager uwafaka lapha ku safe yibo imanager ekhali ngapi ngoba phela wena ulambile manje lento phela iyafana nokuthi usebenze KFC bese wale KFC usebenze lapha eMcDonald's uhale ibheka seMcDonald's abantu abasebenza khona bawafuna amabheka lapha inkingi kuwena futhi igwala wena uyigwala impela wena usabe kuyejele
that's right
mina anginayo imali stationary seyingane kodwa kuno 10 trillion la emva kwakho kahle mfowethu kahle mpemu hawu lalela wena uyafana nomuntu osebenza ePick n Pay ethokana eCross epheni kwenyanga abana mina abantu abasebenza ebank angibaphuzisi fuseka hamba hawu usaba imali wena nayo imali lapha na everyday uyayiyeka uyayifaka bese uyayiyeka lapha bese uzofuna ukuphuza yemi bazongidabela wena
kusebank
shit boshwa man sokulethela insipho lapha silethe nokudla kuzoba zinsukwana nje bese uyaphuma imali sokugadela ngaphandle hawu sengazofika abanye amafana abaphethe izinto ezisheshayo bese le mali ebeke wena la bank emva kwakho ukhona wena uyibonile shit hawu ngeke hawu Teshathona
hayi ningayenzi njalo mosemsebenzini yake imali esemsebenzini uthathe uholo lawo thanks for making this far guys and thanks for your support please do like comment and share with family subscribe if you haven't subscribed